Hey everyone, and welcome. If you're running a business, you know what a headache it is trying to juggle a bunch of different apps just to keep things running. Well, today we're going to look at a solution that aims to bring it all together at atACC ERP, a system that's designed to be that one, single, powerful tool for your entire company.
Right out the bat, atACC ERP starts with a pretty bold claim. A perfect solution will never let you down. Its whole mission is to be a global business solution made specifically for SMEs. We're talking small and medium-sized businesses with big ambitions to grow.
All right, so the real question here is this the right fit for your business? Let's find out if any of this sounds familiar to you. So are you running a retail store, or maybe a hotel, a manufacturing plant, or even a distribution center? It doesn't really matter what industry you're in, you're probably trying to manage a dozen different things at once. And this system, well, it's built to handle all that diversity, from pharmacies all the way to import/export businesses. And that's really the heart of the problem, right? You've got one app for sales, another for your inventory. Maybe you're still using a separate spreadsheet for payroll, and your customer data is somewhere else entirely. It's just not efficient, and you know things are going to fall through the cracks.
And that's exactly where this all-in-one idea comes into play. Instead of trying to patch together a bunch of different apps, atACC ERP's goal is to bring everything you need under one single powerful roof.
And wow, they really cover a lot of ground here. We're not just talking about your basic accounting. The system has dedicated modules for point of sale, payroll, hotel and restaurant management, and even production and CRM. It's really the whole shebang.
Okay, let's drill down into a specific example. If you run a supermarket, this module gives you touch-enabled billing, integration with your weighing scales, and even multi-currency options. It also lets you manage multiple branches from one dashboard, which is absolutely essential in the fast-paced world of retail.
And then there's payroll, that thing that just eats up so much of your time. This system automates it. It can integrate with biometric scanners for attendance, manage all the leave requests, and generate pay slips automatically. That's the kind of automation that literally gives you your time back so you can focus on the bigger picture.
And of course, you can't run a business without happy customers, right? The CRM module gives you a complete picture of your customer pipeline. It lets you track leads and deals, and then handle support tickets, all within the same system. You get to see the whole journey from start to finish.
So how does this all come together? Well, the cool thing is, you don't have to bite off more than you can chew. atACC ERP comes in different editions. Everyone gets the core system, but as your business gets bigger, you can add powerful modules like production management, payroll, or the full CRM. The whole system is really designed to scale right alongside your business.
But it's not just about all those different modules. The entire platform is built on a foundation of really powerful features, all designed to make your life easier and your business way more flexible.
The core features really scream flexibility. You've got full cloud support. What does that mean for you? It means you can run your business from literally anywhere. And the mobile app just reinforces that. With multi-language and currency support, you can go global. It even has modern integrations with things like WhatsApp and biometrics, which just shows it's built for the way we actually work today.
Look, the big idea here is complete and total access. Whether you're sitting at your desk or you're out on the move, you have full control over your business operations. That kind of freedom, that is a total game changer for any modern business owner.
Okay, so a system can have all the bells and whistles, but you have to be able to trust it, right? And it looks like atACC ERP has built up a pretty big global following.
Yeah, check that out. Over 10,000 users. That many people trusting this platform to run their businesses, that says a lot about how reliable and effective it is out there in the real world. And it's not just in one spot. We're talking more than 30 countries all over the world. So this isn't some small local app. It's a proven international platform that understands what global businesses actually need.
So let's bring it all home. If you are just plain tired of jumping between different systems and you want to finally get everything organized under one roof, this just might be what you've been looking for.
Getting started is actually super easy. You can just get in touch with Gracewin Globaltech Ltd to find out more. This is really your chance to start running your business with a truly unified professional system.
And that brings us right back to where we started, with that powerful promise. So it kind of leaves you with a question to think about. Is the way you're doing things now letting you down? And if it is, maybe it's time to find a solution that won't.